Sawadika is hello in Thai. So this video I will explain you what Thai people use the basil for the food, the holy basil. We use like 3 different kind of basil in Thai cooking. We have like a lemon basil, we have sweet basil, and the holy basil. But today I'm talking about the holy basil. So the holy basil, Thai people, the number one always has a thing of that is stir fry basil. We call pat kapao. Pat is mean stir fry, and kapao is mean the holy basil. So that was the first one. The second one we put in the soup. So like the tom yum soup, like a hot pot, like seafood, tom yum. Sometimes we throw the basil in there. So this is helping, like the aroma is more stronger and the taste very good. I like tasting like tingy, and I don't know what to say, like it smells really like tastes so much like so much good, and it's good for stomach too and help digest faster. Okay, this is only the trick. So right now I'm making the pizza. So I use that pizza, the holy basil topping with my pizza, which is cauliflower pizza, and pretty much it. Sometimes most of the time I like the sweet basil on top of my pizza too, but today I just like I'm at my kitchen, so my kitchen is closer to my backyard, which is backyard have a holy basil. My front yard has a sweet basil, so I just grab whatever is closer. So I hope this clip will be useful for you. For if you like to learn about Thai food, please subscribe, and also about like Thai culture, cooking, and some cooking tips. So see you next video. Bye.